People living on Florida's Panhandle could be just about 48 hours away from a hurricane making landfall.
Michael has gained strength, now just sitting under hurricane status with 70-mile-per-hour winds and moving to the north at 7 miles per hour.
Just moments ago, Wolf, the National Hurricane Center has lifted now the status of the storm to a Category 3, and it's a mid-level Category 3. We're only 10 miles per hour away from a Category 4 status.
Good day, everyone. We're coming on the air to bring you the latest on Hurricane Michael, now bearing down on the Florida Panhandle. It is now a Category 4 storm, although moving close to 5, the most powerful storm on record ever to hit this part of the Gulf Coast, and it is still gaining strength, bringing winds up to 150 miles an hour, heavy rain, and a potentially catastrophic storm surge. Businesses are destroyed, making daily life in the Panhandle extremely difficult. Even just the basics of getting food, water, and gasoline.